Agriculture, the backbone of human civilization, faces a constant battle against pests. Insects, weeds, and diseases threaten the yield and quality of our crops. Pesticides, chemical or biological agents have emerged as a powerful tool in this fight. They protect our crops, increase yields, and ensure food security for a growing global population. Without pesticides, food shortages and economic instability could arise. However, the use of pesticides is a double-edged sword. While they offer benefits, their indiscriminate and excessive use has raised serious concerns about their impact on human health, the environment, and the delicate balance of our ecosystems. The story of pesticides is complex. It's a story of innovation and risk, of benefits and consequences. It's a story that demands our attention, understanding, and ultimately our action. The overuse of pesticides casts a long shadow, impacting human health, the environment, and the safety of our food. Exposure to high levels of pesticides can lead to acute poisoning, with symptoms ranging from headaches and dizziness to nausea and respiratory problems. Long-term exposure, even at low levels, has been linked to chronic health issues. These include developmental problems in children, infertility, and an increased risk of certain cancers. The environment, too, bears the brunt of pesticide overuse. Pesticides can contaminate soil and water sources, harming beneficial insects, fish, birds, and other wildlife. This disruption of the natural balance can lead to a decline in biodiversity, affecting entire ecosystems. Furthermore, pesticide residues can remain on food, posing potential risks to consumers. To understand the real-world impact of pesticide use, let's compare two farms, one reliant on heavy pesticide application and the other embracing sustainable practices. Farm A, driven by maximizing yield, relies heavily on synthetic pesticides. The results are visually impressive, uniform crops, seemingly pest-free. However, a closer look reveals a different story. The soil is depleted of essential nutrients, requiring ever-increasing amounts of chemical fertilizers. Beneficial insects are absent, replaced by pesticide-resistant pests, leading to a vicious cycle of pesticide dependence. Farm B presents a contrasting picture. They've adopted integrated pest management, a holistic approach that minimizes pesticide use. They rotate crops to disrupt pest cycles, plant pest-resistant varieties, and encourage natural predators. The result is a healthier ecosystem, reduced pesticide use, and safer food for consumers. Section 4. Safeguarding ourselves and our planet. Responsible pesticide handling. If pesticide use is unavoidable, responsible handling is crucial to minimize risks. Always read and follow the instructions on the pesticide label. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment like gloves, masks, and protective clothing during handling and application. Store pesticides in their original containers, out of reach of children and animals, in a well-ventilated and secure area. Avoid spraying on windy days or near water sources to prevent drift and contamination. Dispose of empty pesticide containers and unused pesticides responsibly through designated collection programs. Never pour them down the drain or dispose of them in regular waste. Section 5. Nature's Arsenal: Exploring Eco-Friendly Pest Control. Fortunately, there are effective alternatives to synthetic pesticides. Biopesticides, derived from natural sources like bacteria, fungi, or viruses, offer a targeted approach to pest control. They are often less toxic to non-target organisms and break down more quickly in the environment. Another eco-friendly strategy is to harness the power of nature itself. Introducing natural predators like ladybugs, lacewings, or parasitic wasps can help control pest populations naturally. Crop rotation, companion planting, and the use of pest-resistant crop varieties are other sustainable practices that can significantly reduce reliance on chemical pesticides. Section 6. A call to action towards a future of responsible pesticide use. The future of our food and the health of our planet depend on responsible pesticide use. We must shift from a paradigm of maximum yield at any cost to one that prioritizes sustainability and human health. Consumers can play a crucial role by supporting farmers who adopt sustainable practices and choosing organic or locally grown produce whenever possible. Policymakers must implement stricter regulations on pesticide use, promote research into safer alternatives, and support farmers in adopting eco-friendly practices. Section 7. Conclusion. Our shared responsibility. The story of pesticides is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our world. Our actions have far-reaching consequences, impacting not only our health but also the health of the planet we share. By embracing responsible pesticide use, supporting sustainable agriculture and demanding greater transparency and accountability from our food systems, we can create a healthier and more sustainable future for all. It's a shared responsibility, a challenge we must face together to ensure the well-being of generations to come.